Have you abandoned climate policy in Indonesia?
No, we don't.
Like we have here?
No, we think it is actually an opportunistic plan for us to do even more. Hari ini saya berkunjung ke Fox News untuk bicara mengenai tentunya pemikiran-pemikiran dari Kadin, Kamar Dagang dan Industri, bersama dengan tentunya upaya pemerintah untuk bicara mengenai bagaimana mencari obat untuk perang tarif ini. Dan yang kedua, membangun relasi bisnis supaya lebih bagus. Dan yang ketiga, tentunya juga memikirkan pertumbuhan ke depan itu antara dua negara ada di mana. Jadi bukan saja perdagangan, tapi juga investasi. Doain ya, mudah-mudahan bincang-bincang dengan Fox Business baik dan pesan-pesan kita tersampaikan. Stay tuned.
Joining me now is Anindya Bakri. He is the chair of Indonesia's Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and he joins me here in New York City. Obvious question, sir. Is Indonesia close to a trade deal with the United States?
We hope so, Stanley. 2 weeks after
can you tell me that you are? Are you close?
Well, let me tell you a little data. So we are surplus with the United States about $18 billion.
Okay.
And we import oil and gas derivatives from other parts of the world, about $40 billion. So what the government is thinking is to reallocate that $40 billion so we can go trade balance with the U.S.
Oh, okay.
That with the trade balance, the issue is not how to balance, is how to increase between the two countries.
Sure. You're confident that you'll get a deal going through?
Well, it is the task of the government to do a deal, but I think we're very confident about that, right? I'm coming from the private sector, Indonesian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The reason why I'm going to go to DC right after this to meet the U.S. Chamber of Commerce is to meet our counterparts to do more trades.
That's interesting, because how do you feel about President Trump, who is essentially abandoning the Green New Deal, is going full tilt for fossil fuels?
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
First of all, let's be clear that Indonesia is blessed also with oil and gas and also fossil fuel. Having said that, below the ground, Indonesia have all the critical minerals you can think of, from nickel, bauxite, tin, copper, and rare earth. Because above the ground, we actually have renewable energy potentials, right? Whether that's solar, wind, hydro, and so on. Tadi diwawancara sama Fox, lagi tengah-tengah wawancara disuruh cepet-cepet, saya pikir ada apa? Ternyata ada ini. Jadi Trump ada cabinet meeting dan ada yang di-announce. Yang tadi menarik adalah sebelum dari wawancara saya, India baru kayaknya menemukan kesepakatan dengan Amerika. Jadi tadi ditanya Indonesia sampai mana? Tentu saya tidak dalam posisi untuk membicarakan deal antara pemerintah dan pemerintah, tapi dari bisnis sektor ya kita ada di sini karena kita cukup positif. Dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa jual lebih banyak. Tapi kita tetap mesti menjaga supaya industri lokal tetap bagus. Nah, jadi kalau cotton masuk ke Indonesia oke, atau kapas, tapi setelah diproses, ya kita pengen juga kirim ke Amerika untuk mendapatkan tarif yang lebih rendah.